My father would be considered a factory worker, though he wasn't in a factory, but he wasn't pretty far from one. He was, you probably know the phrase, the International Ladies Garment Workers Union. He was a member of that group, and they were radicals. And so was his friend with whom he played in the old country. My father was a member of this union, and my mother was too, but of a different branch, as they called it. And there were lots of people coming through the house who belonged to these branches, depending on their craft. My mother was what they called a finisher. And she would sew the hems and things. That's what finishing was. And my father was a presser. He used an iron, and after the garment was sewn up, and it obviously had to be of a certain quality or you would burn it up, and he sometimes did that too. They pressed it with a very heavy iron, I think. You realize I was kept pretty separate from this kind of stuff.